So the first job this morning, I went into the city for a side entry fill valve, and I wasn't really specific. I went, look, can I get a side entry fill valve? And the guy went, aye, no worries, and gave me one. And it was a plastic one, I can't remember. I asked for a Torbex one because that's what's in, and he gave me it, and I went, right, no bother, went away, went to the job, and it doesn't even come with a fucking cup or anything. So I was like, fuck's sake. So I went back for another fill valve, side entry, and he gave me a Dudley one. Or he said, oh, there's Dudley ones up there. But I wish he fucking told me about the Viva ones that they've got in stock, because this is a fucking... These are a 4-in-1, where you can actually change it from a bottom entry to a side entry, and for 12 quid, it comes with loads of different components on it that you can interchange for different sizes. Best in the market, I would say. Now, Scott decided to lose the washer and the bent tap connector.
Sorry, this is
so we've got a new one. This is the interchangeable bits. It comes with adapters. How class is that, right? So there we go, that's on. Scott's going to no lose this one again. How about you? Oh no. Mate, it's on.
Put me on.
I'm no.
No.
See the pressures we face as plumbers? Do you know what I mean? One drag per washer and we're away for 20 minutes.
Right.
You on?
I think so, yeah.
Nice. There you go, side entry sorted. My day has been absolutely chalked. It is actually, what time is it? It's 20 past 1. All I've done is drive to Edinburgh, change a side entry, and I've handed 2 keys back. I've got some macaroni, cheese and chips for lunch. What a fat bastard that I am. So we've got this shower screen here to replace because it's leaking like a sieve, and I'm going to be honest, they've got these like they use the raw plugs that come with the screen profiles. I think they're fucking horrendous. So we replaced this with this flipper bath screen. It's got a longer pivot that allows you basically a longer bit for the water to hit against. You can fix that and then silicone it up so it doesn't move, and the only thing that pivots is the screen. So that's what we've done there. And then we've replaced this shower, this toilet flexor that burst. Basically these burst pretty much because condensation gets onto the metal braiding and pretty much corrodes it, reacts with the metal. Look at that, a double flexi. And that's pretty much my day for the day. A boring day in the life. Fucking hell.